The warning "slow down" in a Mitsubishi Lancer is connected with the automatic transmission overheating. In most cases, you will see it with a CVT, but conventional automatic transmissions are also prone to such issues, especially if the fluid is not very fresh or the transmission itself is not in perfect condition. So the manual is quite straightforward about this message, and it says you should stop the vehicle in a safe place once you can put the shifter to park and open the bonnet, the hood. You should leave the engine running, and this will help the transmission to cool down. After some time, the warning light will disappear and you will be able to drive further. Please keep in mind that driving with overheated fluid in your transmission is a bad idea. This will greatly reduce the lifespan of the transmission. Also, I saw this warning pop up in situations when drivers tried to keep the vehicle stationary on a hill by lightly pressing the gas pedal instead of using the brakes. This is a bad idea, and in this case your Lancer will start vibrating and then throw the slow down warning. If you see this slow down message quite often and it doesn't always pop up when you are speeding like a Formula 1 racer, it means that the transmission fluid is not good anymore and you will need to change it. If your vehicle has a transmission oil cooler installed, consider cleaning it. You can do this through a fog light hole in the bumper or after taking off the wheel liner. Due to its location, the radiator for the transmission fluid is clogged with mud very fast, and it requires cleaning once every year on average. But be careful with pressure washers, they may damage the thin plates of the radiator, so use only low pressure modes. If you don't have this transmission oil cooler, consider installing it. It will reduce the temperature of the fluid at high speed and you will most likely never see the scary slow down message. Also, there is a very misleading and bad TSB for pre-2008 Lancer models. The document number 1023005, it says the solution for the slowdown warning that pops up often in your car is to reduce the amount of transmission fluid by 0.7 liters. I would avoid doing it at all costs, since this will lead to even worse overheating in the long run and will reduce the lifespan of the transmission.